Welcome you all. Myself Irfana Nahid, Assistant Professor, Mirza Ghalib College, Gaya. Today I will give introduction and classification on heterocyclic compound. We have to read in MSc semester 4. See, first introduction, that what is heterocyclic compound and how it is classified. Heterocyclic compound are the cyclic compound which is of two different atoms, which is made up of two different atoms. See, what we have studied in the previous class is cyclic compound. It is of two types, that is homocyclic and that is another is heterocyclic. In homocyclic, the name itself means homo means same and hetero means different. It is cyclic compound which is made up of same or similar atom, that is here if we see the example of benzene, here only carbon atom is present, that is C6H12, sorry C6H6. In the heterocyclic compound, what happened? One example we are taking of furan. See here, carbon, 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 and one other atom, that is one heteroatom is present, which is oxygen, and this is furan. We call it furan. Now, this is the introduction, that what is heterocyclic compound means the compound which is made up of two different, that is one carbon, 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 and this is oxygen, means carbon is same, carbon and oxygen, that is two different atoms, the cyclic compound which is made up of two different atoms. Now heterocyclic compound is classified as, first is 5-membered, 5-membered heterocyclic compound. Second is 6-membered heterocyclic compound, and third is condensed, means condensed heterocyclic compound, means fusion of two cyclic compound, that is condensed cyclic compound, condensed heterocyclic. Now we will discuss first what is 5-membered heterocyclic compound. Its example is, one is, if we take oxygen as one different atom or heteroatom, then it is called furan. If we take, in place of oxygen we take nitrogen, then this is called pyrrole. If we take in place of nitrogen S, that is sulfur, then it is called thiophene. These are the 5-membered. How it is possible? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. In the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All are 5-membered heterocyclic compound. Now the second we have to study, we have to discuss, that is 6-membered heterocyclic compound. It is made up of 6-membered. That is, if we take the example of, see here 6-membered is present, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, and double bond. What is the name of this compound? That is pyridine. Now if we take in place of nitrogen oxygen, then it is pyran. If we take in place of nitrogen, we will take oxygen. This is, see, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, and this is double bond. This is pyran. And if we take in place of oxygen, what will we take? That is sulfur, S. Then this is called thiopyran. See, it is 6-membered. These are the example of 6-membered heterocyclic compound. Then, what is condensed heterocyclic compound? Means it is mixture of two. For example, it is mixture of two cyclic compound. Here we are taking benzene, and now one, that is furan. We are taking furan. See, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, and this is double bond. See, this is benzene and this is this is furan. Then we can name it benzofuran. Here carbon, 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 carbon. Here also carbon is present. See, two condensed benzene ring. This fused benzene. One is benzene ring and the second is furan. If we are taking in place of, if we are taking one benzene ring, this is the benzene ring, and we are taking pyrrole, then this is called benzopyrrole. And the last or the next is quinoline. We are taking here. Or we will take here the double bond and this. This is the two benzene ring. If we add here nitrogen, one nitrogen is added here, and this is benzene, then what will be the name of this? Quinoline. See, these are the classification, introduction and classification of heterocyclic compound. The next lecture I will give on the nomenclature of heterocyclic compound. That's all.